Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, it's pretty time sensitive since we only have just less than about 3 days to farm this airdrop. So I'm not going to bother with an intro, but we all know that none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. Crypto is very risky, all that good stuff. And I'm just going to get straight into it because Aperture Finance, which I have mentioned many times in pretty much all of my yield farming videos this year, I have mentioned Aperture Finance, and the reason I have is because it's a great tool if you're yield farming. If you're yield farming, and again, this isn't an update video on my yield farming positions because we do those on a Monday. But if you're yield farming in DeFi, this is a super important tool because you can come into pretty much any position, right? And okay, I don't really want to switch network right now. You can come into any position and you can rebalance your position within this. Okay, you can rebalance using this tool. You can collect fees, you can reinvest, you can auto compound, you can set up automated rebalances. You can do pretty much everything and manage your yield farming cash flow business, if you want to call it that, from Aperture Finance directly. Okay, so if you come over to the campaign page, which I have been talking about recently, you can see I've got 179,000 points. So essentially Aperture are doing a giveaway or an airdrop where you can farm points, which will then turn into Aperture tokens. So they are launching an APTR token, but the campaign now is ending on May 25th, which is in 2 days, 9 hours, and 5 minutes. Okay, so to earn points in here, you got a few days left. I'll leave a link down below. You need a referral link, so I'll leave mine. What you do is you simply come over here. You can conduct a swap. They have a swap page. Okay, Aperture provides an alternative front end to Uniswap and PancakeSwap with Aperture Swap built in exclusively on Manta, so you can earn between 300 and 900 points every time you do a swap. You can rebalance. Okay, and you'll earn between 400 and 1200 points. Zap into a liquidity position again between 400 and 1200 points, and reinvesting your fees between 300 and 900 points. And you can do a bunch of stuff down here. You can do some pretty easy stuff. You can join their Discord, follow an X on retweet. You can join their Telegram. Okay, and they also now have this additional thing that you can do to go ahead and earn some last minute points. So earn impressions point by tweet, comment, or quote any message that include all of the following keywords: Aperture Finance, APTR, AI, hashtag intense, and hashtag Aperture Finance. Your points from impressions will be added at the end of the campaign. Your top 5 tweet with the most impressions per day will be used for the calculation. So you can have a look at the leaderboard as well and see who's doing what. You can see the top sort of impressions here from the tweet links and stuff like that. So the best thing to do, okay, right now, in my opinion, to farm these points is to do this tweet campaign. I'm going to put a tweet out. I'll leave my tweet link in the description. You can comment or quote and retweet them, so you can earn some points. And then go ahead and complete these tasks to get your last minute points with Aperture to go ahead and qualify for the airdrop. You're essentially making free money. So just a quick little video here to let you know this is ending in a couple of days. So pretty important to get on it now if you want to farm these points last minute. But yep, guys, that's going to be it for the video. Quick little one here, just letting you know that this is ending in 2 days. So make sure you go and farm those last minute points. Anyway, thanks for watching. Link will be in the description. I'm also going to leave a link down below. This isn't as time sensitive because I don't think that they've added an end date yet. But Crystal also have a point system. You can see I've got over 1 million crystals. These will turn into crystal tokens when they do go ahead and launch. So I will leave a link down below for Crystal as well. And again, same sort of thing. Follow Crystal, do a swap, zap in, zap out, compound, adjust range, all that good stuff, all within Crystal, as well as obviously the Aperture one. And you can earn some points. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.